Have you seen people posting their own Coachella-esque music festival posters from Spotify and wondered how to make your own? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to create and share your own Spotify InstaFest. Now let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and go to instafest.app. We'll leave a link in the description box below. Now tap Sign in with Spotify. If prompted, sign into your Spotify account. Then scroll down and tap Agree. InstaFest will then pull your most played artists from your Spotify and generate a music festival poster with what your lineup would be. Underneath your poster, you'll see your basic score out of 100. A low score means you listen to more niche artists, and a higher score means you listen to more popular artists. If you scroll down, you'll see customization options for your InstaFest. By default, it will use your listening history from the last 6 months, but you can also choose to use the last 4 weeks or your all-time streaming history instead. Then you can choose a theme for your poster. There's Malibu Sunrise, LA Twilight, or Mojave Dusk. At the bottom, you'll also find options to hide your username from the top of the poster, and an option to show your basic score on it if you want to. To share your InstaFest poster, tap Save and Share. Now you can hold down the image to get the option to save it. Or you can tap Download to save it to your Files app. You can also tap Share to get options to share it in a message or in another app such as Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and more. I'm posting mine on my Twitter. That's all it takes to create and share your own Spotify InstaFest. Who would be headlining your music festival? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.